welcome you all for your today's class. In today's class, I am going to teach you the grammar articles. What are articles? A or an and the are usually called articles. They are really demonstrative adjectives. Articles are grouped as indefinite articles and definite articles. A or an is called indefinite articles because it is used when we do not speak of any particular or definite person or thing. The is called definite article because it is used when we speak of some particular person or thing. A and the are called articles. The is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. A or an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. We use the articles a, an or the before nouns that we want to introduce. Here are the examples. This is a person whom we met in Chennai. This is a place which is in Agra. This is a table where I used to keep my books. I is used before beginning with a consonant sound and also a singular before a singular noun. You know, alphabets are grouped as consonants and vowels. So, a is used before the consonant sound of the alphabets. Example, a boy, a bird, a book, a school, a dog. A is used even before the vowel letters which don't have vowel sound. Examples, a European, a unit, a union. Some words start with a vowel letter, but it doesn't sound the consonant sound. In such a case, we should use the article a. For example, a university, a uniform, a 1 rupee note. In these words, though it began with a vowel letter, it doesn't sound so. It sounds the consonant sound. So, we should use the article a. We should use article a before the words which begins with the consonants. Example, a girl. There is a girl near the gate. There is a clock on the wall. There is a lamp on the table. Let us see the usage of an. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel. For example, an idiot, an apple. Eat an apple every day keeps a doctor away. He is an idiot. An is used before the silent sound of H. For example, an honor, an hour, an honest man. He received an honor from the president. Mother left the house an hour before. My father is an honest man. On is used before the vowel sound, isn't it? Which letters are called as vowels? A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. An orange, an umbrella, an I. Let us see the usage of the. The is used before unique objects like the sun, the sky, the moon, the earth. Let us see the usage of the in a sentence. The sun gives us light. The sky is blue. We see the moon at night. The is used before the names of mountains, rivers, oceans, deserts, etc. Example: the Ganges, the Sahara, the Pacific, the Atlantic. Let us see these examples in a sentence. The Ganges flows in India. The Indian Ocean lies at the south of India. The should be used before the names of books. For example, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Wings of Fire, the Discovery of India. Abdul Kalam wrote The Wings of Fire. The Wings of Fire is a name of a book. So before that, the article that should be used. We use the articles before the superlative degree. For example, the best, the tallest. Let us see the examples in a sentence. Rahman is one of the best music directors. He is the tallest boy in the class. The should be used before the musical instruments. For example, the flute, the violin. Let us see these examples in a sentence. Kannan plays the flute. Article the should be used before an adjective to denote a whole class. For example, the old, the rich, the poor. Let us see the usage of the examples in a sentence. The rich should help the poor. Articles the should be used before the ordinal number names. For example, the first, the second, the third, etc. Mani won the first prize in drawing competition. Here, first is the ordinal name. So before that article, the should be used. The should be used before proper names, which is in the form of plural, and of people of nations. For example, the French, the Indians. The Britishers ruled over the Indians more than a century. Articles the should be used before the abbreviations. For example, the UN, the USA, the IMF. UN is the expand form of UN is United Nations. United States of America is the short form of USA. So when you want to refer any abbreviation, use the article the before it. We use the when we know that there is only one of a particular thing. For example, the sky, the world, the North Pole, the Venus, the Neptune. These are the things which is in of a particular thing. So we should use the article the. We cannot use the article in all the places. In certain places, we should omit articles. So let us discuss where we should omit the articles. Articles should be omitted before the names of relations. For example, Mr. Mohan is my father. Father is a relation, so before that we should not use the article. And before the names of materials, we should omit the article. For example, we wear gold ornaments. Here, gold is a name of material, so we should not use the article. We should not use any article. Before the proper name, we should omit article. For example, our national flower is lotus. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Lotus and Chennai are the proper noun used in a sentence. So before that we should omit article. Before the abstract noun also we should omit article. Honesty is the best policy. Birbal is known for his wisdom. Here, before the abstract noun honesty and wisdom, we should omit article. Before you refer a language name in a sentence, in that place also, we should omit article. For example, I am teaching you English. My mother tongue is Tamil. So in these sentences, I use the name of language in a sentence. So I should omit the article. Article should be omitted before certain phrases. For example, at noon, by train, on foot. These are the phrases, isn't it? So before that, we should omit the article. Alright. Let me say the examples in a sentence. We travel by train. I had my lunch at noon. Mala goes to school on foot. Students, hope you would understand the grammar articles well. Practice this in your daily usage so that you can use it in a long period of your time. Thank you, students.